Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question about the algebraic fraction. Take a look, number one, we have to simplify it. So remember, before we multiply it, we need to finish it about the division. So look at here, we got y, we divide by y, it's gonna be 1. So here is x, we divide by x times x, which is x squared. So it's only x down here. So x, negative, negative. Okay, continue. 8 and 4. Both of them we can divide by 4. So it's going to be 2. So 2 times 14 is going to be 28. So the answer is minus 28 over x. Next, remember before we multiply it, let us simplify it first. So negative and negative is going to be positive. 4 and 2 we simplify by 2. So it's going to be 2. 12 and 9 we divide by 3. So it's 4 and 3. So that is for the number, so it's gonna be 8 over 3. Then we got y and y, got x and x. Look at this, x power of 2 divided by x, so only x. And here is power of 2 and 3, so it's remaining y only. Why? Because like y times y divided by y, y and y, here 3 times, so it's only y downstairs. Next, remember before we multiply it, we have to simplify it first. So negative and negative here is gonna be positive. Next, we got 6 and 9. Both of them we divide by 3. So it's gonna be 2 and 3. 2 and 2 here disappears. It's gonna be 1. 3 and 3 is disappears. The number we got only minus 7. Next, we got y. Okay, y and y. And then we got here x power of 3, power of 3. So the remaining x only x square. And then y square. Then we divide by here the remaining z. Next, okay, here if we divide division, so let us finish it. So 36. Here we can simplify it. It's power of x only, and here is y power of 4. So 36x y power of 4 we multiplied and we flip this fraction. So to make it multiply, let's here like this, xy we divide by xy power of 3. Okay, x and x sphere power of 3 and power of 4 is gonna be y only. So the final answer is gonna be 36. X, y times y is y square. Okay, here y and y sphere. We got z power of 1 and z power of 3, so we got only z power of 2 here. X and x square, so we got only x. X with x, it's gonna be x power of 4. We divide by y power of 3. And here power of 5 and power of 2. So we simplify it. Both of them divided by z power of 2. So the remaining is only z power of 3. Next here, let's finish it. 4 and 4 in the sphere. So x power of 3 and x power of 2. So remaining only x. Here is z power of 2 and z. So the remaining is only z. Y and y power of 3. Remaining is only y power of 2. So we can proceed. So we got 5z divided by 6x y square multiplied. We flip 8y square. We divide by 4x square. Okay, y square and y square sphere 8 and 4. We could simplify, divide by 2. We divide by 4, so it's gonna be 2. So we simplify it here, it's gonna be 3. So the final answer, 3. Wait, let's do it again, one more. Okay, 4 and 4, so they are equal to 1. Z and Z is equal to Z square here, Z only. Y and y power of 3, so it's going to be y square, x square, and x power of 3 is going to be x only. So it's going to be 5z divided by 6xy square. This division, so we'll make it multiply, then flip it. So 8y square divided by 4x square. 8 and 4, we could simplify it by 4. So it's going to be 2. And 2 and 6, we simplify it by 2. So it's going to be 1. And here is 3. So the final y square and y square disappear. So 5z divided by 3 x power of x times x squared is x power of 3. Okay, next we have to simplify it here, b. So okay, we got x square y plus x y square. So how could we simplify it? Let us try. Is it x plus y square? So it's gonna be x square plus 2y then plus by y square. It doesn't work this way. Let's make it x minus y and then x plus y. So here it's gonna be x square plus y minus y square. So this also doesn't work this way. Look at here. So we can take it out, the highest common factor, x and y. So from here, if x and y, so the remaining is only x. And then here is x y square, so it's only y. Then we divide by x plus y. Okay, look at here, x plus y and x plus y is gonna be 1. So the final answer is only x, y. Okay, we got 4x y plus y square. We divided by 4x. Okay. So let us take it y here. It's gonna be 4x plus y. Then we divide by 4x plus y. Okay, we can see 4x plus y and 4x plus y divide equal to 1, so the remaining is only y. Next here, how could we simplify it? Okay, take it 6 out. And then we got x, y, both of them. Then here is gonna be x, we minus by 2xy divided by 6xy. Okay, we can simplify it since they are the same. So the answer is going to be x minus 2xy only. Okay, next the highest common factor of this number is x square. So we make it bracket, so this 2x square, because 2x square times 2x square is gonna be 2x power of 4 plus 3x, because x square times x is gonna be x power of 3 divided by x square. Okay, we can see here the same thing. So the answer is 2x square plus 3x. This is the simplest form. Okay, we need to factorize it. So here is x plus 2. So this has to be x and then x. When we multiply it equal to 6. When we addition equal to 5. So it's gonna be plus 3 and plus 2. Okay, here we simplify it. So the final answer is gonna be x plus 3. Okay, F here. So here's gonna be 2x plus 3. Let us factorize it. It's gonna be 2x, x. We need to find the number. Yeah, here is gonna be plus by 3 and plus by 1. Because 2x times x is gonna be 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. Okay, it's equal to 5. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, we could simplify it here. 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 equal to 1. So the simplest form is gonna be x plus 1. Okay, next. Here is x minus 15. We simplify it x. When we addition, it's gonna be minus 16. However, when we multiply, it's equal to 15. Yeah, the answer is minus 15 and minus 1. We could simplify it. Answer is gonna be x minus 1. Okay, to x. This is 2x plus 1. So here's gonna be 2x minus 1 and plus by 1. Okay, and then we can simplify it. So the final answer is gonna be 2x minus 1. If you got confused, look at it. Here a square minus b square is gonna be a plus b, and then a minus b. Here's also the same case of h. So 4x squared minus 1. So let us write as 2x, make it square, and we minus by 1 square. Okay, there it is. I'll continue later. Thank you.